I'm sure many people would love to run PC games on their Android devices, that's why today we're looking at a brand new emulator featuring a beautiful console-style graphical interface. To get started, head over to the official website and download the APK file for the latest version of GameHub. Once downloaded, install it and grant all the necessary permissions. After that, open the app and the first thing you'll need to do is log in. You can create a new account via email or sign in to an exciting one. I'll personally choose Google. Next, let's explore the settings by tapping the three lines in the top left corner. Under the device section, you can connect various physical gamepads from the available list. In downloads, you'll find all the executable files used to launch specific games. Finally, in settings, you can change the language. On the main page, the PC emulator takes center stage. This is what we'll use to run games directly on your phone. Your game library stores all your imported titles. PC Link allows you to stream gameplay from your desktop PC to your phone screen, including backgrounds and controls. PS Link functions the same way but receives the signal from a PlayStation console. The next section is Steam, where you can log into sync your previously purchased Steam library. Now it's time to add a game. To do this, you need to copy the folder of a game installed on your PC, or if you don't have a computer, download a pre-unpacked portable version to your phone's memory. Then click Import PC Games, grant file management access and locate the game folder. Select the exe launcher or the installer file. This is where the magic happens. The emulator automatically begins selecting the base configuration and downloads everything required for the launch. Once the process is complete, just tap the launch icon to enter the game. While playing, a HUD will appear at the top showing GPU and CPU load as well as the FPS count. You can adjust the graphics settings to get the smoothest performance. Anything from 35 FPS and up is considered playable. By using a back gesture, you can access a variety of settings. The first section covers controls, where you can choose from several ready-made presets or create your own custom layout. When you exit the layout editor, the app will ask if you want to save the change to the current preset or create a new one. In the following settings tab, you can set an FPS limit or enable HDR for better color saturation. The CRT effect adds a filter that makes the screen look like an old TV, while Super Resolution uses built-in algorithms to upscale the resolution of older games. The HUD display option controls which on-screen elements are visible during gameplay. A third menu option allows you to stretch the game to full screen and enables manual brightness and volume adjustments. Just below that, the fourth option toggles the on-screen keyboard on and off. I hope you got everything up and running. Don't forget to check out my other videos, there is plenty of interesting content waiting for you there.